46 miles an hour.
Okay. Wow, look at all that graffiti. I cannot read that. Somebody wrote SWAT on that. Whoa, I see this graffiti right there. That looked pretty good. CST, somebody wrote CST. Ease, somebody wrote Ease.
There comes the other engine.
There comes the two middle engines.
Holy
Holy crap, there they are! Jeez, they're screaming past! Holy crap, they were just extremely loud! How fast is he going?
46.
I'm wondering how fast they'll go until the end because he just started in Cambridge. So let's see how fast they'll go until the end. I am right, it's a stack train.
Yeah, you were right.
But they just put the all racks first, then the stack cars. That's just rare.
Looks like they got some more auto racks coming out.
Man, this stack train's just adjusted different. I should read the graffiti. Whoa, STG Logistics and XPO Logistics. Now I don't see any graffiti. That one there had graffiti, but there's less graffiti now, that's why I'm mad. I was wrong, I saw the white STG Logistics were all racks, but nope, they weren't. They're shipping containers.
Yeah, this is a long one.
Holy crap.
Got a bunch of orange ones coming up.
Yep, the Steiners. Man, he's just so loud, I can't believe it. Oh wait, somebody wrote road rail right there. Look at that. Road rail. How fast is he going?
47.
And 175 cars.